Hi everyone, today I'm going to be presenting on Dorian Cronin for my author study presentation. This is by Lakin Cleveland and I'm an elementary major here at Athens State. For some basic author information, Dorian Cronin was born in 1966 and she is still living. Here's a present picture of her. Some family information includes that Dorian grew up with her two parents, two brothers, and sister in Merrick, New York. Her dad was a police officer. Her educational background includes that she graduated from Pennsylvania State University in 1988, and she graduated from St. John's Law School in 1998. Some fun facts include that Dorian never had the intention of becoming a writer. In fact, she wanted to become a police officer or FBI agent. Dorian's first grade teacher, Mrs. Cooper, is the person who first told her that she was a writer. And Doreen loved the library even as a little girl. It was her favorite place to spend her free time. Some of her accomplishments include the following. Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Top. And a summary of this is that this book portrays an entertaining story about literate cows that go on strike after Farmer Brown decides to not obey their wishes of electric blankets. Another story she wrote is Diary of a Worm. This book entertains students with journal entries provided by a worm. In these journal entries, the worm describes his day-to-day life. In Duck for President, due to Duck not enjoying the chores that Farmer Brown gives him, he decides he wants to be the head of the farm. Duck decides to hold elections to run for the position, but finds out what hard work truly is. Giggle Giggle Quack. This book serves as a sequence to Click Clack Moo, Cows That Type. It involves Farmer Brown's brother Bob coming to look over the animals. The book leads readers through a series of hilarious events. Here I have listed all the books that Dorian Cronin has written. I will go through these briefly. Bloom, Boom Snot Twitty, Boom Snot Twitty This Way That Way, Bounce, Busy Day at the Farm, Chicken Squad Case Number 1 Full House, Click Clack Boo A Tricky Treat, Click Clack Ho Ho Ho, Click Clack Moo I Love You, Click Clack Moo Cows That Top, Click Clack Peep, Click Clack Quackity Quack in an Alphabetical Adventure, Click Clack Splish Splash Accounting Adventure, Click Clack Surprise Happy Birthday, Cyclone, Dark Shadows Yes Another Misadventure, Diary of a Fly, Diary of a Spider, Diary of a Worm, Duty Duty Moo, Duck for President, Giggle Giggle Quack, Into the Wild Yet Another Misadventure, Legend of Diamond Lil, a J.J. Tully mystery, M.O.M., Mom Operating Manual, Nat the Gnat, Quack to School, Rescue Bunnies, Smick, Stretch, The Case of the Weird Blue Chicken, The Next Misadventure, The Chicken Squad, The First Misadventure, The Legend of Diamond Lil, Thump Quack Moo, A Wacky Adventure, and Trouble with Chickens, a J.J. Tully mystery. These are the awards that Dorian Cronin has won. New York Times best-selling author, winner of the Indies Choice Book Award, Children's Illustrated. These books have all won awards. Click Clack Moo, Cows That Top is won the 2000 School Library Journal Best Books list, 2001 Notable Books for Children list of the American Library Association, 2001 ABC Children's Booksellers Choice Award, and the 2000 Caldecott Medal Honor Book. Giggle Giggle Quack was on the 2002 Children's Literature Choice List, 2002 Publishers Weekly Best Children's Book List, 2002 School Library Journal Best Books List. Diary of the Worm was on the 2003 School Library Journal Best Books list, the 2003 Parents' Choice Silver Award for Picture Book, 2004 International Reading Association's Children's Choice Award. Duck for President won the New York Times Best Illustrated Books for 2004. And Diary of a Spider won the Book Sense Honor Book and Publishers Weekly Best Book. So, all in all, Doreen Cronin is an award-winning author that has created many children's books throughout her lifetime. Although she did not always strive to be an author, Doreen Cronin has definitely proved to be successful as an author. Perhaps what has made her well known is her publications of the Click Clack Moo series, along with her Bug Diaries series. This is my reference list, and I want to thank you all for listening, and I hope you learned some more information about the wonderful author Doreen Cronin. Thank you.